To be honest, these shiny texts are the best thing ever, but the only downside is that you need After Effects to get them. But I found a way to do it with only using Premiere Pro, and this will be able to be possible with my premium animation text for Premiere Pro. The link will be below. You can grab yourself a copy. It will make your workflow 10 times better because you can create and customize your own text animations, and I think it is a game changer for a better workflow. So let's get right into it. So I got my video right there, and as you can see, it misses a little bit of subtitles. So what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and click on the window. Then I'm going to look for graphic templates, click on it. Then with the pack that you just downloaded, you're going to simply drag and drop it into this window right there. Now what I'm going to do is simply just click the animated text preset we just imported and slide it into our timeline like so. And as you can see, we got a cool text animation that is only possible with this pack right there, and it's actually impossible to do it inside of Premiere Pro alone, but this pack allows you to do it. So we can start by simply syncing the text with our vocals. So let's do that right now. So I'm gonna explain you guys what is going on over this panel right there. This panel is where you can customize the text entirely. So here you can actually change the text to what you're actually seeing on the video. You can control multiple properties. As you can see, the first property that you can control is the color. So you can pick any color that you want. I'm gonna leave it blue. And there's a slide position, and the slide position simply tells the text where it needs to slide from. So the text slide from the right side. So if you want it to slide from the left, just pick a minus 100% like this, and it's gonna slide from the left. If you want it to slide from the bottom, just type 100% into the y-axis, and it's gonna slide from the bottom. So you basically control the slides with the slide position. I'm gonna keep the slide at minus 100 for a left position type of slide. And then there's the shine effect. You can increase it, but as you can see, we don't see nothing. So that's where the shine position setting comes in play. You simply just move it around to see the shine appear. And if you don't like the shine, just put it down like so. Okay, so now I like the shine, I'm gonna keep it. And you can also change its angle. I'm gonna keep it like that. You can also crank the shadow all the way up like this, which will make it look better. You can also transform your text by clicking on transform. So I'm simply gonna increase its size, put it right there, right there. And I'm simply gonna just duplicate this text layer and just do the same all over again, but just by changing the text. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna scale it down. I'm gonna make it slide from the right. And as you can see, it already looks really good. And for this text right there, I'm simply gonna make it slide from the bottom. So I'm gonna put the X position at 0 and the Y position at 100%, like this.
500 pixels definitely.
Okay, now it looks really clean. As you can see, with 5 minutes of work, we already got something clean. It looks really professional and expensive. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying by that, but if you guys want to move everything over at the same time without messing up everything, just select all of these text layers, right click, nest, then you can simply control them all together like this, place them wherever you want them to be. It looks good, but the reel could look way better with animations, color grading, and better audio quality, and I will explain all of this in this video right there. I'll see you there.